Hey folks, our friends over at Princess Cruises announced a really cool partnership with Brightline trains here in Florida. One, making it easier to get from the trains over to the cruise ship, but number two, saving you money along the way. Now we'll talk about that in a second. But first, let's talk about that Brightline experience, because so far we've taken the train twice. One time it broke down, and the way they handled that breakdown made me a firm believer in the product. I don't think I'm ever gonna drive to South Florida again. Now the Brightline train is a pretty new experience here in Florida. It's essentially an express between Orlando and South Florida. In South Florida, there are multiple stops such as West Palm Beach, Aventura, but most notably Fort Lauderdale and Miami, where the cruise ships are. And what's super convenient about it is it's literally in the Orlando airport. So if you're flying in or out of the Orlando airport, you can hop the train right there and go straight to South Florida. You're in Miami in about 3.5 hours. There are two options on the Brightline, the Smart Car and the Premium Car. The Smart Car is 4 seats across. The Premium Car is 3 seats across. The major difference between the two is that your drinks and food are included in the Premium Car, whereas you have to pay for the drinks and food in the Smart Car. Other than that, the experience is very similar. You've got power outlets, USB outlets right at your seats in both cars. You have included Starlink Wi-Fi in both cars. It is very good Wi-Fi. I have used it. With the Premium Car, you get the Premium Lounge, which also has drinks and food while you're waiting at the train station. The train stations are super clean, super comfortable, lots of seating around them. And in fact, what we typically tend to do is to book a train that might get us to Fort Lauderdale, Miami about an hour earlier than we really need to get to the cruise port. And then we'll just relax in the train station. The ride itself is super smooth, really pleasant, and the seats themselves are basically the same between Premium and Smart. The Premium ones are, I think, 3 inches wider, but that's about it. They're both really comfortable. Unless you really want that premium experience, you don't really have to do that to get a lovely Brightline experience. And yes, the second time we rode the Brightline, completely broke down. Just shut down, and with how they handled the situation, that made me a firm believer in the product. So number one, the car was still operating. We still had power, we still had air conditioning, bathrooms were working, they were still coming around making sure if we needed water, we needed snacks, anything, they were taking care of that. What we had to do, we had to wait for the next train to come down. They literally parked the train right next to ours, and then we just simply stepped from our train onto the next train. So we ended up in Miami about 2 hours later than originally planned, but just like we tell you guys, you know, when you're flying in, fly in a day early. When we take the train or we drive down to Miami, we leave very, very early to give ourselves some leeway. So we had no problem at all making it to the ship on time. Now let's talk about the Princess partnership, because number one, it's going to make it easier to get to your Princess ship. And number two, everybody watching this, you can get up to 15% off your next Brightline ride. Now for a limited time and on certain Princess sailings, you can get up to $300 Brightline credit for your ride. If you're boarding in Orlando or West Palm Beach, you can check your luggage with Brightline and your luggage will go directly to the ship. You don't even have to get your luggage at the Brightline station. How cool is that? And you don't have to take a Princess cruise to save money. Anybody watching this, if you enter the code Princess15 at checkout, you will get up to 15% off, courtesy of Princess Cruises. Now, how cool is that? Folks, I can tell you the Brightline train is truly awesome. It's a great way to get between South Florida and Orlando. Highly recommended. If you have any questions about the Brightline train, about this Princess offer, or anything to do with travel, just reach out. Where's WalterTravel.com. Have an awesome day, everybody.